All day, every day. We leave it. We love it. Rap music, you know what I mean? Time flies, we alive, overcome the turbulence, manifesting faith in the absence of the evidence, trying to figure out the world. Doubt was to my detriment, a sentiment that is worth believing if it's making sense. Frankincense, the magic was the reason I've been banking since the season of when prisons had corona as a pestilence. When I write a verse, chapters pile to be a testament. We've never seen God, but I am just a specimen, made in the imagery, born within the hospital, end up in a cemetery, but did the impossible. Within the time I was given, I was making lots of moves. Did align the vision that I made before you got the news.
Hey, this shit way.
You know what it is? That's how we do this. Let's go. I say let's do it though. Admirable fame would make me feel I was unfathomable, ungovernable. Yeah, untouchable. When you read the history of my life, it's like a parable. Some of it insufferable, still living the trauma of living with the gullible. Walk it in the coma. The stone that the builder refused is a cornerstone. Getting both sides of the story like a cornerstone. Wasn't born to die while I'm living, I was born to grow. Let me feel your soul like your shoes, and it's toe to toe. Toe to slaughter in the music, going door to door, shooting down any rapper claiming that they know to flow. The Mcpotar, so we go to war. Blow for blow, fit into the weaponry. Cause they've been covered in grenades, dare step on me. Only step your back if you the one turning your back on me. They try to blackball me, then I gave them a vasectomy. And sick to me, I'm the illest man to ever speak to me. On the street, verified, I could get you sacrificed. I'm an overcomer of the karma coming back to me. People like you looking to are giving some respect to me, while you play front for the fall like his receptionist. Impressionist, the wordplay, painting out the imagery, the energy, the synergy, plugging in the centerpiece. I flatten the earth, bubble in my mucus. It's the phenomenon, the venom in their eyes was the jealousy, the lies. I've always been surprised why they hating on my life. On your mark, set, go like it's cast, that's a mania. When I run the bread, that's a crust on your menu. Plus I blast, that's a man in your girl, in your tenure. And she thinks I'm a genius, bass and the tenor, soprano, falsetto. On your mark, set, go, run the streets, get dough. Money on my mind, the only thought I never let go. Modern day G-pedo, pulling strings like my chest, so it's for the ghetto. Yeah, that's how we do it.
Shout out to Cashbid, you a rare breed.